Hi students, this video will talk through some of the most important points that we want you to know about completing the personal essay writing assignment successfully. So this entire unit has been building up to this assignment. This assignment is a 2 to 3 page paper, and that does not include the title page or the references page. So you will be writing 2 to 3 pages of content about the article that was selected for you by your instructor. So your instructor will link the article here. So it may or may not be this article. Be sure to check with your instructor to verify that you are responding to the correct reading. It is the same reading, R1, that you have been working with this entire unit. So you have already done an annotating assignment, an outline assignment, and a progress checkpoint in which you either had a conference or turned in the first draft of your paper. So you've been working on this assignment for the entirety of this semester thus far. So the goal is to read the article assigned and respond to a prompt assigned by or selected by you or possibly assigned by your instructor. So the course readings will vary from semester to semester, but most of the prompts are pretty similar depending on which theme it is that your instructor is using this semester, or possibly allowing you to choose your theme for the semester. So most of the prompts have something to do about why you like or dislike the reading, or why you agree or disagree with the author's points, or you will select one or more of these prompts. Once you have selected your prompt or prompts, you will be turning in the outline and then the draft, and then finally revising the draft so that it is a polished final version to submit to your instructor. So we recommend looking at the sample. So throughout this unit, we've been using the same sample reading entitled Reading, Writing, Arithmetic, and 0 About Jobs. So you could look at the sample first draft, a sample grading suggestions on the first draft, and then how a sample student utilized the grading notes to make a polished version to turn in. We also recommend downloading this file in Microsoft Word because you can use it as your template. This paper and all papers that you will be writing at Delaware Tech require the use of APA format. So there are some particularities to APA that you will need to learn and follow this semester and subsequent semesters. For example, you will have the page number in the top right corner in a header. You will have the title of your paper centered along with other elements on the title page, and the title is in bold font. Your title will be in bold font on the first page of the body of the paper. You will also want to make sure that you have updated the information on the title page to reflect the course that you are taking, the instructor's name, and the due date. For some reason, this is not loading, so I'm going to hit download file, and that should work for us, and it did. So you will get lots of hints about APA format from your instructor, but essentially your personal essay is going to look similar to this. You will probably have 5 paragraphs. You'll have an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. The body paragraphs you have already started working on through the annotating paragraphs, the outlining assignment, and then the draft. and then you will have to end with a reference page. You will also be required to quote from the text and paraphrase from the text and cite whenever you utilize words from the author. Your instructor will go into APA format in greater detail, and we also have in every course, let me go back to it, in every course you will see a large green button that indicates APA resources. So you can learn a lot about proper formatting through this APA widget. When you are done polishing and revising and proofreading your draft, your final paper, you will want to submit it through D2L. If you have any questions, be sure to get in touch with your instructor.